Hey guys, this is Basant here. What if in this video I give you a tool with the help of you can repurpose your video content, your audio content, or whether you have the podcast. So let me give you a demo first. So this is the video I am talking about here. This video is around the 9 minutes 30 seconds and you can see this is the video I have imported here. So importing part is just really easy. You have to just add the link and it is going to import the video. That is the beautiful and the easiest way. And you can see this video is around the 9 minutes 30 seconds. But let me show you what I have done with this video here. So with the help of this video, if I go to this create content option, you will see I got the titles, I got the description, I got the quotes, hooks, timestamps, I got the newsletter. Let me open. So you can see this is the actual content I have repurposed with my video here. Okay, so this is the newsletter I am showing right now. I got the topics, bullet points, I got the tweets here which I can post on my Twitter or the X platform. Then I got the questions, I have the threads by Instagram. So these are all the threads I can post on that social media. Then I have also turned this video into a script for the reels or the short video. So look at this short script here. Not only it is giving me the text that I need to talk about, but it is also giving me the scenario which I can use to creating the content here for the reel and the short. Then I have also turned this video into a detailed LinkedIn post here. You can see this is the introduction, table of the content, I got the subtopic explained here, I got this FAQ section and the conclusion. And not only that, I can also turn it into a blog post or a detailed social media content, especially for the Facebook, LinkedIn, or even the Instagram here. And there's also the one more extra crazy feature available, that is the custom prompts. So if I go to this custom prompts option available, I can add my custom prompt here. But let me show you, it has also so many other prompts available. Okay, so let me show you all the prompts here. Let me back to here. Let me get back because I am on the different page. Okay, so if I click here, you can see the new custom prompt here. You will see, okay, not that, I have to click here. Yeah, I have to click here and you can see these are all the prompts already available. Okay, so I can also find it especially for the LinkedIn post, for the newsletter, for the YouTube script, for the tweets or reel script. Okay, so it has so many custom prompts available that you can instantly use with your video or audio or the podcast you have imported in this platform to repurpose it. Okay, so right now there's also this magic chat option available. It is going to just chat with your video content or the audio content, what kind of the desired content piece you want from this platform to generate here. Okay, so this is the CastMagic right now available on the AppSumo. So if I go to the AppSumo, you will see its pricing starting from just $59 and it is starting available. Okay, so let me give you one quick notice here. Its pricing although starting from the $59, but the lifetime deal you will only see here on after, let me go to here, after tier 3 plan. Okay, in the tier 1 plan you will get the 1 year access, tier 2 plan give you the 3 years of access, but if you want the lifetime access you have to go higher with the tier 2 plans like the tier 3 or the tier 4 or the tier 5. These plans will give you lifetime access. Okay, so make sure you get this quick notification or update here on its pricing. Okay, now let me go to its platform and give you a quick demo and the tutorial how you are going to use this platform. So first let me go to the platform here, and if you want to check it out, lifetime deal link is given in the description, plus I am also giving out my free bonuses, so make sure you check them out in the description. So once you got your lifetime deal, this is the page you are going to log in here. Okay, so this is how its page is going to look like. And first let me give you the walkthrough how this dashboard looks like and what are the features available. So we have the two core features available on the workflow workspaces. So you can see this is the my name workspace, means you can name your work page whatever you want here. Okay, so then the next one we have the iOS recording. So you can get its iOS app on your mobile devices, and after that you can use its mobile devices. So whatever the recordings you are going to do in its iOS softwares or the app here, it is going to be the added in the iOS recordings here. But if you are going to use with the web app, it is going to stored in your this space here. Okay, with your name or whatever the custom name you have added here, and in that space you have to start adding your content pieces. So let me show you how you can add your content piece or import. So you have to go to your workspace here, and after that you have to click here on the import audio and the video. So once you click here, you can also upload your file. Clicking here on the browse files, it is going to find or locate the files from your local device, or you can just import it here. Okay, so let me go to this way. This is the import URL method. This is the quickest way I can suggest you, because here you have to just add the link of that content piece. No matter it's you're on the YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram Reels or the Facebook, you have to just get the link of that content piece. Yes, you can even use others content as well. So that is the quick hack I have told you right now. Okay, so let me give you the demo first. So suppose I am going to use this video here, so let me copy the link of this video. I have to get back to the CastMagic and simply paste the video link. Okay, and click on the submit. Or it has also some automation ways available that you can use with the RSS or with the Zapier, or if you have the recordings with the Zoom, just integrate with the Zoom here, and now it is going to automatically link the content in its dashboard from the Zoom or via the Zapier from your Dropbox or the Google Drive. Okay, so that is how you are going to add your content. So I have added 2 content pieces. So suppose I have added just this content piece here. Now you can open it, and first what it's going to do, it is going to transcribe that video here. So this is the transcript you will get. If you have the multiple speakers in your that video or the podcast, you can name those speakers, so it can precisely locate those speaker talking here. Okay, then we have to go to the create content here. So here we are going to customize or turn this video into the multiple content pieces. So this is the preview I am showing you here. So let me minimize this preview here, and now it is minimized. I can just play this video here by clicking on this play icon. That's how. Okay, now let me show you how you can turn this into the multiple content pieces. So first of all, it is going to automatically give you the few content pieces like the keyword, description, stamps or hooks or newsletter. Okay, and we have also the scripts, we have also the LinkedIn post, but for some reasons it can also do not show you your desired content piece like the blog post or specifically the social media post for the Facebook or the LinkedIn. Okay, so that is, let me tell you how you can get it here. So we are simply going to use its try magic chat, or we can simply add our command which kind of the content we want, like generate social media post for Facebook. Make sure you give the exact detailed prompt here to get the desired kind of the content you want. So you have added your prompt here, or you can also use its prompt library to get the idea, and simply click here on the draft. Now it will start generating the content from you. You can see here. See, that is the most beautiful part, and because it is going to analyze your content that you have import via your video or the audio, it is going to give you the really relevant and the related content pieces here. So right now you can see my content piece is ready here, so it is going to be soon added in this library here. Okay, and let me tell you, you can also add the content pieces in your pipeline that you can use later in the after some time or in your future here. For example, this is the real short, and I want to use it in the later part. I don't want to get to it's my workspace and find out that video and then get to here to find out the real script. So what I can do here, I can simply click here or copy, or to right now store it anywhere I want, or simply I want to add in my pipeline for my content usage in the future. So I will simply click here on the add to pipeline, and here I can just make it as the assigned to the workspace, and I want to schedule it for a dates. Okay, so I will make to the upcoming few days later, and then I have scheduled, and I will label it as the social media content. Now click here on the add to pipeline. Now this content piece will be added to my pipeline. I have to simply go to this content pipeline. Okay, let me go to this content pipeline, and now you can see for the upcoming future days, this is the content I want to publish or create a video or short on it. Okay, so I got this one I have just created right now in front of you. I have also got the newsletter. Okay, and here you can see this is the tag for that video. So simply if I click here, I will redirect to this video content piece here. Okay, now let's back to the our create content. So that is how you are going to repurpose or create or get the more content pieces out of your one long video one audio or one podcast, whatever your main content piece, that is how you are going to turn into the multiple content pieces. And I have showed you how you are going to add it into the your pipeline. Then we have the magic chat. So in this magic chat, we have the just ask like the chat GPT what kind of the thing we want our content pieces, and this is the AI studio here. So AI studio is going to turn your text content into the audio form or audiogram or into the a quote or the image. So let me show you how this thing works also here. So let me go to the transcript. Here I have to just simply select the text which I want to turn into the audiogram or to the image quote here, and after that you can see I have to click here on the audiogram, and now this content piece will be turned into the audiogram here. But let me tell you, you can also change the layout. Suppose right now it's in the square format. I want to into the something like the 9:16. So now it will be returned. Beautiful, isn't it? Now simply if you want only the text, click here, and now it is only the text. You want to add the captions, you can see now it will be the adding with the captions in your video. But what if there's the AI tool which can mimic you the way you write the... Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so you can, after turning your video into the short content piece or the audiogram or the image with the text, you have to simply click here on the export, and now it will be the start exporting here. Okay, so I have showed you how I turned my 9-minute 30 seconds video into a blog post, LinkedIn post, Instagram reels or the short videos script. I got the email newsletter, I got the dedicated social media content piece, I got the timestamps, I got the titles, I got the keywords, I got the description, plus I have also get few clips out of my one long video here. So many content pieces I have repurposed from the one long video. So that is the power of the CastMagic. And don't forget, you can also get its iOS app in your device. Now let me back to the platform here, and you can see in the media library I can see all of the media or the images I have stored in my dashboard here. And if I go to this workspace, I have already talked about, but here if I have the custom prompts, I can access in the prompts, and you can see this is going to show me all of my custom prompts or the prompts I have just recently used for my content pieces. Okay, then we have the workflow available. It is going to show me the ideas, and I can customize the workflows. Like you can see, this is the idea it is showing me in the pipeline. So if I want to add something new in this workflow, I can add it here. Same goes for the labels. I can create the new labels. This is the color code and I am changing it. So I will select here, and now I have to name it this label here. So I'm going to make it the seal script. Okay, and now save label. This label will be the added here in my workflow to using. And now if I go to my content pipeline, you will see I can start using this this label here. So let me go to the newsletter. Okay, and let's see, if I click here on the plus, you can see this label will be start appearing up here. See, that's the thing, how you can add your own labels. So the platform is beautiful. Its user interface is really a little bit complicated. If I talk about the genuinely a little bit complicated, but once you start playing around with its dashboard, its features, with the things, how you can operate them, how you can find them, then it makes really the senseful here. Okay, the one time you have to start playing around, and it will take around the 30 minutes or the 40 minutes to start getting the understanding about these features on the left side. But once you get hang on it, you are going to just few clicks away to start using the features. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, again, I want to mention about its plans and features. Tier 2 plan give you the only the yearly access, but if you want the lifetime access, you have to get started from the tier 3. Make sure to also check out the bonuses that is absolutely free I am giving out. So the bonuses mentioned in the description. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.